Mukbang, a mukbangin', mukbang, a mukbangin', mukbang. Oh, we hangin', we bang, oh, we bangin'.
What's up, YummyBiters? Welcome back to another video. So today we have our favorite snacks. As y'all can tell, it's a lot of snacks, but my snacks, I have this Crunch and Munch buttery toffee popcorn with peanuts. I remember this. Actually, Maya, she reminded me of it because she picked it up. I was like, oh, I remember those, so I got it. And these are one of my favorite chips. Then I got some cookies, some Oreos, and some 9-laters, and some beef jerky. I love me some beef jerky. And some, what are these? Trolley gummies. And oh, y'all, this is so good. This is actually new, and it's the Oreo chocolate candy bar. It's so good. And I got some hot fries, and I like to put Lucas on my hot fries. Is that it? Yup.
I have the Ruffle Flamin' Hot chips, and I got the something like Takis, but it's potato chip. I have the Hershey's Golden peanut and pretzel Hershey's bar. I have Lucas to go with my pickle, and I have some extreme sour rainbow. What is it? Yeah, that. And I have some Taki sticks. I have 9-laters. These are my favorite candy. And of course, Leia. See, I put her on to the candy. You know, let me put y'all on. Get y'all some of these, the swole ones, not no ones that you take out the wrapper. But I have Ritz. I love these on game days. And I got the Crunch and Munch. Yeah, and I think that's it. Yeah.
And yeah.
So, yeah, I'm about to move all this stuff out my way.
This looks like a lot on camera. Like it looks.
I'm gonna start off with my favorite.
Let's start off with my chips. Okay.
And these make you cough. These strong.
They are?
Oh yeah, I got my hair done. At first I ain't like the shape of my head, but now I don't care. I really don't care no more. Yeah.
I might put some Lucas on these too. What?
Lucas not good.
Girl, Lucas.
Pour it in your hair first.
No, I know. I think I did this before. It's just hot chip.
You gotta take the wrapper out inside.
If y'all see me keep itching and stuff, like I got allergies and I had an allergic reaction today, and I was just itchy. This actually happened last year during the winter. I think it's something about the weather changing because it happened around the exact same time last year, but it was worse though. But I got some medicine. I haven't taken it yet, but I'm gonna take it after this video. Alright, let's try this.
And I don't know who asked me to eat this. I don't know if it was my mom or not, but at first I wasn't gonna do it because it was gold. And she said Hershey, and I ain't like Hershey's. I don't like chocolate. So yeah, this is the best Hershey's bar I've ever tasted. The best.
This is good. Lucas makes everything good. Y'all comment down below what's y'all favorite snacks. By the way, this is my video idea because I love snacks, so
These not all of them. I just couldn't. Cause it's gonna be like $100. I'm getting some snacks, and I didn't want to do that. So.
Beef jerky.
They used to be my favorite until I found these. These are not my favorite. First it was these, then. I lucky thought you farted. I was like, no, you gotta go.
That's good.
That smell like a nasty fart.
No, it don't. She lying. Y'all know what beef jerky smell like.
Go buy this.
God.
Open it. Sit by somebody and see if they say you farted. Cause you farted. That
Tastes
thing
like beef
stink.
jerky. It smell like meat. Slow cooked and hardwood smoked.
But fart too. That's funny. Oh, my mouth gonna be on fire. Eat that after these. This bag smell like a fart too. It's bad. It stink. With the food babs in it. It's good.
I have to stick with the original beef jerky.
Whenever you open this, try these with that and see if it tastes the same.
What?
Whenever you open these, get one of these and eat it and see if they taste the same. Cause it's the same, I think. Same flavor, I guess.
All right. Enough beef jerky.
This got spicy.
Next? Spicy what? Beef jerky?
It's better.
Yeah. What we want next? Think we want some crunchy munch. Comment down below if y'all remember this.
Yeah, I know what? Everything that I'm eating, y'all should go get. I'm gonna put y'all on. I know none of y'all don't know about these. So I didn't even know about these until like I think 2 months ago or 3. One of them. And these new. So yeah. And I just found out about these today. I will tell y'all how, but I mean, yeah, I'm gonna tell y'all how. I was hungry, and it was before practice. And one of my friends, she went in her friend's locker, and she had this in her bag. And
So she stole candy from her?
It's not stealing.
Yeah.
That's her friend, like close friend. I guess she can do that or whatever. And yeah, and it was these, and she gave me one. I asked for one out. He's good. And I did not want to swallow
really?
it. They're really good.
Let me try some.
Psych.
Open it. Psych.
Like, them gonna be the last ones to get open, because when I tell y'all those are like good, like, I'm not gonna say they're better than these, but they top these. Like, they're
Then you saying
good.
they're better?
They're not better, but they're like
said they
up
top
there.
them?
At the top, they like right there. You feel me? They're like right there.
Yep, y'all, these good. There's a snack on them. Watch some Netflix, eat these.
Watch some Netflix. Get you a pickle and some salt.
My salt.
And some chips.
This type of salt.
My salt.
Ain't nobody say it wasn't yours.
My salt, bro.
Mmm.
We didn't sleep on no beef.
I'm gonna have a lot of snacks for tomorrow. Ain't no beef. Ain't gonna be my stomach growling tomorrow. Yeah, my stomach be growling in every class. It be embarrassing too. I be wondering if people be hearing my stomach growling.
Yikes. Please do not jump on me.
Now this my favorite. I think I showed y'all this before, didn't we? Well, some of y'all new subscribers, I really love Lucas and hot fries.
It's pickle.
It's not very healthy. I don't eat it all the time, but you know.
I put a lot in mine. I
know. I need to put some more.
Oh my god, you got this little light seasoning on this chips. I like the end because all the salt.
Oh my god, yes. And I like to crunch when it gets towards the end. I like to crunch them up and then.
Yeah, you the best. Oh.
They didn't have hot pickles. That's why I didn't get
This the cornerstone pickle. And you know they got the best pickles.
They got the best hot pickles. And they didn't even have a hot pickle. Like, what? You're making that look good.
Ain't getting none. Why you ain't get your pickle? Oh, because you want it hot one. Why? It's just a regular pickle.
I wanted a hot pickle.
I never knew you ate hot pickles.
So what y'all doing in practice today?
I think it's called Big. No, that's not Big Ben. We ran.
So I want y'all to comment down below. Out of all these snacks, which one is y'all favorite? Out of all your snacks, which one is your favorite?
All of them.
No, we have to pick one.
All in one.
If I had to pick one, I have to say this. Yeah, I'm gonna do them in order. This one,
I'm gonna put this
my
on.
flaming hot Cheeto puffs, my beef jerky. Ooh, hold on, cause this is really good. Well, as in chips, we'll just do it. Okay, chips first, second, and then as in like candy, this is first, this is second, this is third, and then like, what? Is that Jaden next to me?
Oh, I just opened the wrong thing.
Hot, give me one.
Yeah, you not. No.
You whole rude, like, you don't even let me try one.
You didn't eat it yet. This bag usually stinks, but this smells great. This candy will mess up your taste buds. It'll peel your taste buds right off.
They are not that sour.
No, because I used to eat these like every day, and my tongue is like a whole different color in the middle because it will be peeling all the time. Yeah, so, but these are really good. Oh, I think I'm gonna eat these during the game. If you don't know, I eat strawberries and now lettuce during the game so I can concentrate.
What?
If you a hooper and you do that, comment in the comment section because I do. And then I got some good in my mouth. I ain't gotta always taste the little nasty spit. And I'm always drinking them.
Ew. Yeah.
I mean, it ain't nasty, but it just ain't got no good taste to it. It ain't like now lettuce or some strawberries.
Ooh. You put some Lucas on my beef jerky. Think about it, it's just salt.
I'm really doing too much with the salt now. I just gonna start putting salt on her potatoes and her steak.
It's salt. It's literally, I could put that on my potatoes and steak if I want to. It's salt. It's salt.
This is not the regular salt though.
Okay, but it's salt with even better salt. upgrade of salt. What you mean?
You sound like
salt.
a car dealer.
A what?
Car dealer. I almost said drug dealer, but
That's what I'm like, what are you talking about? Okay, we're gonna try this Oreo chocolate candy bar. Oh my god, it's so good.
and the best one out of these is what is it?
Oh, by the way, this is that good chocolate.
Watermelon.
Maya, what does it say? Milka? Milka? It contains hazelnut. It's like, what is that? Nutella? It's like,
Yeah.
oh, it's so good. Like, oh, it's so good.
Oh, let me have one.
Girl, boo.
Yeah.
Okay, but you got a whole one of these and you won't even give me one little one. And there's only 2 of these. And they're little. So you can't compare none of that.
Yeah, I can. You sure? You're getting some of my stuff. But it's okay.
You think I'd give you a piece of this?
You feel me? I'm about to hit up these.
She's just
Ritz.
selfish.
You feel me? What?
I'm telling you, I can give you a piece.
We ain't sleep on no beef. Oh, y'all already got a problem at this school already.
So good.
But I'm gonna address it tomorrow because I don't got time for the boo-boo. You feel me?
What happened?
None of your business.
What happened?
None of your business.
Okay.
But I'm just gonna address it tomorrow. You know, I'm put on my white girl voice. I'm having to be nice and proper about the conversation, but she allowed me.
What are you talking about?
No problem. About the situation I'm talking about. You feel me? But yeah, it's pretty dumb. The situation is dumb, but if she allowed me about the dumb situation, but then you see, I'm not gonna do nothing. I'm just gonna go to the car. I'm snitching, basically. I'm gonna snitch.
Girl.
I'm snitching this year. Try me. I'm snitching.
Don't nobody like to snitch.
I don't care. I'm a senior. I'm leaving. I don't care. You ain't gotta like me. I'm a senior. You feel me? Anyways, we don't even need that type of energy on the team anyway. So you wanna get loud, you can get loud about the gym. Put those street clothes on. You feel me?
Oh, man. What haven't I tried yet? I haven't had my cookie, my Oreo. Y'all already know.
Why would you get Oreo cookies and some Oreo cream bar or whatever?
Because it's chocolate and this is a cookie.
That's chocolate cookie.
Let me eat my candy.
Like, what are you talking about?
What are you talking about?
That's chocolate and that's chocolate.
Okay, but it's a difference.
It's no difference. Chocolate.
Ooh, I can smell it already. Ooh! Ooh! This smells so good. Yeah, okay, y'all.
What's y'all favorite snacks?
I already asked them.
I know one of y'all favorite snacks is these. Yeah. Because them good. If it's not, go try it out. And let me know if it's good. Comment in the comment section. And be like, you put me on them higher because I know I did.
Sour.
These are so good. I'm about to eat them.
And she's saying how good they are. Well, she ain't gonna let me try one.
We didn't sleep on no beef. What's this? Start. What am I starting with?
Yeah, a lot of people are wanna wear heels to homecoming. I ain't doing too much. I was gonna ask Mama if I could get some heels, but like, I don't know how to walk in no heels. And I ain't trying to be walking around there looking stupid trying to walk in some heels.
These taste different. These don't taste the same as when I used to like eat them all the time.
You don't like them?
I mean, I do, but they just don't taste the same. Like the taste that I remember. But I mean, they're not nasty, but they are. I don't know how to explain it. But yeah. I'm about to go ahead. Kill these.
Watch it. If Daddy comes down here, he gonna be like, heaven.
He gonna come for you with them
what?
Oreos and them chips. He don't want none of these. He don't eat this stuff.
He always comes to me, no matter what. Cause you're mean.
Ah, that's funny. He does not.
Y'all, he be scared to go in her room.
He don't like to go in there. That's one.
He's scared of you.
He is not scared of me. He
Y'all, the dog
loves me.
The
he
dog
loves
her.
me. Bobby loves me. Bobby don't like you, period. Cause you always
like
messing with him.
Bobby's scared of you.
You're always making that dude.
Scared of you. That's why. That's why he's not.
And then you're always annoying. You're annoying to Jaden. Yeah,
Jaden loves me.
Jaden don't like you.
Jaden does like me. Why would you say that on camera?
Thank you. Why would you say this stuff on camera?
Say what on camera?
Yeah.
Say what on camera? Say what?
Yeah, he don't like you.
Say what on camera?
He don't like you. Period. Ew, good.
Now please try one, Maya. Maya!
It's so good.
Let me try one.
Oh my God. Go ahead, eat up.
Girl, yeah. Yo, she just gave me a piece of the little bitty. Please, give me one. You better.
Yeah, I'm about to.
Girl, stop or you smush them.
Move with your hot
Stop.
Come on,
Your
hand
breath
it up.
hot. Girl, boo. Now let me see what the hype about. Move!
I'm about to hype up on this beef jerky.
No, you not.
Who?
Girl, okay, I'll give you a piece of it.
Yeah, go ahead. Come on. Come on.
Can you let me enjoy this?
Oh, no, sweetie. You wouldn't let me enjoy my candy, so come on.
Okay.
Come on with the come on. Oh, your infested arm.
Maya!
I'm so dead. You taking like a year and a day.
She said my infested arm.
Infested. Ew. There you go.
Now I gotta go wash my arm because she got cancer.
The Hershey go. I'm about to eat it.
Ain't even that good.
You want to taste some?
I already tried those before. And I knew you was finna move it away, so don't even
I
try
really
it
wasn't. I
first.
have 2 of these, so
Okay, so.
if you want a piece, I'll give you a piece. 2. You feel me?
No, I don't.
I have 2. You feel me?
Ew.
Trying to get sick with me?
My move.
But these really hurt my teeth. These are really bad for your teeth. So if you eat these and you about to go to sleep, brush your teeth. I'm gonna have a sugar tooth.
I literally just put water on my arm. Oh my goodness. I'm gonna take that medicine right after this video.
That works because you put water on it? Well, it burn.
No, it don't burn. This be itching.
You need to stop itching. You're turning red.
Okay, I can't.
Yeah, you can. Okay, y'all. We already did our pictures, but we about to take some more pictures tomorrow because they want to hang up our pictures in the hallways. I don't know why, but they gonna hang up our pictures in the hallway. And you feel me? I got my hair redid. I should have had my hair redone for the pictures, the actual pictures, my basketball pictures, but I couldn't. So. What's you doing?
Yeah, look.
Look that way.
Look. I'm just kidding, brother. I'm not mean. I'll share with you.
Want to taste one?
Oh, now look at her trying to copy me like you.
Uh-oh.
What?
I wanted to get the caramel, but I never had the caramel. I didn't want to have it, and it'd be nasty. I mean, I don't eat it. You feel me?
You like it?
Oh, y'all, hey. Well, first I'm asking my mama, but I am going to a haunted house with my friends this weekend.
I'm going too.
I just came. This weekend, like this past weekend, I went to the movies with my friends. We watched. I'm pretty sure y'all know, but for the people that don't, we watched The Hate You Give, best movie. Well, not the best movie, but I like whenever, I don't know what her name is, little light skinned girl. I don't know what her name is, but she's a good actress. I like the way she, like, I don't know. She's a good actress anyways. But this weekend, I'm going to ask my mom, can I go to the haunted house? But before we go to the haunted house, I'm going to ask, can I go to the mall? So buy me some shoes.
Girl.
Or some shirts or pants or something. Because I just got paid. Boom, big racks.
Girl.
Big racks. You feel me?
I got paid cool, but she ain't got no big racks.
Big racks. You feel me? This thick. Big racks. You feel me?
She wish.
But nah, I'm just playing. I got like two
What
pieces of paper.
Got?
I got 2 pieces of paper. What?
What my Lucas? I thought she was gonna tell me how much you got.
Saying I got big racks or 2 pieces of paper?
I thought you was finna say how much you got right before you said 2 pieces of paper.
Oh,
girl.
My mouth. Like, stop speaking before I'm done. Girl. Oh, y'all. I got a whole big question. How y'all feel about Damo and Chrissy? How y'all feel about Chrissy is what I'm trying to... Cause, like, Chrissy
hurts my soul.
See? Like, I used to like her. Her and Damo. But nah, how do you tell somebody that you're easy to get over? Like, you're, like, who does that? Like, if somebody would have told me that, like, your face would have been not looking the same. Because that's just so disrespectful in so many ways. Oh, y'all. I'm gonna put my hair in ponytail. Black. Y'all. Ew.
Y'all comment down below. Hashtag let Lele take her braids down. Free Lele.
That's like, yeah, I was about to say. That sounds like you saying free Lele.
That's what I am saying. Free me from these braids because I'm tired of them. Try to do jerky.
I got big racks. This thick. I'm gonna show y'all next video how big my racks are. You feel me? I'm gonna have my money out. Ready for y'all.
No, maybe if you get all ones, maybe you'll have some big racks. Hey, I'm gonna get my money in all ones. Watch me have big racks. I'm playing y'all.
I'm talking about 20s, 100s, blue strips. You feel me? Something that you don't got. Anyways.
I'm talking about George. Who's on the $1 bill? George Washington. George Washington, right?
Wrong. You said who's on the
George Washington.
Number 1. The number 1 bill.
Yeah, George Washington.
The number 1 bill.
George Washington.
The number 1 bill.
Girl.
It's Bill Clinton. I'm joking.
It's George Washington. Girl, don't make me seem dumb.
Wait, Bill Clinton. Oh, that's just a person. Never mind.
Look. She finna sound so dumb.
No, I'm not. I got a whole 5 in my pocket, boy. What's his name? Is his name even on here?
Look at him trying to copy me.
United States.
Give me hugs. Can I have a hug?
I don't even know.
He give me hugs. Y'all screenshot this, send it to me. Oh, look, he pushing me away now.
Yeah.
Follow me on Instagram, princess_Leia_.
I can't find the name. Oh well. Y'all let me know what side on the $5 bill where it say this dude name at. Cause I can't find it, and I most definitely do not know his name.
Y'all get me to 2,000 followers. Oh, and follow. I was gonna say ad, but no. Go subscribe to my channel, Ladybug Vlogs. I just posted a video like a couple of days ago, and it was a vlog.
Oh man, but yeah, I'm done with my niggas.
Road.
You guys, we are done with the video, and I hope you guys liked our snacks, cause I so did. And I recommend y'all to get these two from my collection. Which two do you think that they should get?
High Fives and Lucas.
And
that chocolate bar.
Show them so they can see that. And yeah, Jaden is going to be enjoying these, I guess, tomorrow, because I know he's going to be with somebody. He's going to be enjoying her trolleys. I bet.
What are you talking about?
Her trolleys. He's going to go for your snacks.
Exactly, because he comes to me first, because he know. Girl, he always does that, like, seriously.
I don't show my snacks.
What are you talking about? We both showing our snacks, and he comes to mine.
Whenever he comes in, oh, that's good. You feel me?
He knows you're mean.
That's good that you share. You feel me? It's good.
He don't like you.
It's good. It's okay though. It's okay.
He don't like her.
Okay.
Look at him.
It's okay. Look at his face.
Oh.
Yeah, you don't like me. Okay, whatever. Anyway, before we gotta leave, make sure you guys do what? Thumbs up this video, subscribe if you haven't already for everyday videos. And we'll see you guys tomorrow. Peace.
Jaden, peace.
Do this.
Jaden, peace.
Yeah.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah. He said.
Do it again.
This is what he did. This is what.
Oh,
and then what he did? He's put up to 4. He's put up to 4. Yeah. Put it on. Yeah, 4. 4. 4. Oh, he said it. He said 4. He said 4.
Jaden, go like this.
Do like this, buddy. Do like this. Oh.
No, make him put up 7. Make him put up 7.
Put up 7. Put up 7. 5. Put up 7. 2 like this. He's twisting his fingers. No. Like this. Like this. Put up 5 like this.
Oh, yeah, brother. Go like this.
Yeah.